Lost your AirPods? Here's how to track them, with or without another Apple device. First, if you have an iPhone, open the Find My app. Tap the Devices tab at the bottom. Select your AirPods from the list. You'll see either their current location or the last known location on the map. If they're nearby, tap Play Sound to make them beep. If your model supports precision finding, tap Find and follow the on-screen directions. You can also enable Lost Mode. This lets you leave a message and contact info. If someone tries to connect your AirPods, they'll see your message. Important: do not tap Remove Device. If you remove them from Find My, you won't be able to track them anymore. Now, what if you don't have your iPhone? You can use any browser. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Open Find My and select your AirPods. You can see their location and play a sound. However, Lost Mode options may be limited on the web version. If you're using Android, tracking options are very limited. You can try a Bluetooth scanner app, but it only works if the AirPods are out of the case and still have battery. And that's it. That's how to track lost or stolen AirPods. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Apple tips.